Then again, like, this is not really like information, this is you just watching me do it for the first time. I'm not meant to be teaching anybody. I am not the person to be teaching you how to be building a computer. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Obviously, see by the title, I'm going to be building my first PC today. Should be fun, but first I actually have to go pick up the parts. They're all in Houston. And I'm in Central Texas, around Austin, Texas. So I got about a 2.5 hour drive there to pick up the parts. And a 2.5 hour drive back. So it should be fun. Should be real fun. Okay, I made it. Just made it to the store. I'm gonna go in real quick, get the stuff. I don't know how much I can film inside, but I'll try to do it with my phone. But yeah, let's go get this PC. Alright guys, sorry I left you there hanging a little bit. I wasn't able to film too much, barely anything at all at the store, so. What? No, I'm talking to the camera. Oh, okay. That was a good take. Whatever. Yeah, so I just got the stuff and I saved you guys the fun of driving back, which, you know, 2.5 hours. I was a fucking idiot for deciding this, but these are all the parts I got. Got the Ryzen 5, I want to say this is 2600X EVGA GT Force, 1660 Super, Gigabyte motherboard, NVMe 250 gigs, and a hard drive, 500 watt power supply, monitor, 144 hertz, 24 inch, and NZXT build. Of course, I'll show you guys all this in a minute, but I'm hungry as fuck, and I'm gonna eat that first. Fucking focus. There you go, so see you right after that. Okay, finally ready to build it. Got my motherboard, CPU, RAM here. We'll do that first. Just start off. This is the first time I'm building my own PC. Just watch a lot of videos from like Linus Tech Tip, JC Sands, Bitwit, and all them, and taught by my high school professor, Mr. Mills. Shout out. I know you're not watching and you don't give a fuck, but you know. You see if I do anything wrong, go ahead and call me out on it, because there should be an IO shield in there too, right? There should be. Oh, there you are. Perfect. IO shield, manual, definitely need that. Oh, this is gonna be useless. So you know what, we're just gonna go for the easiest one right now, and that'll be the CPU right now, because I know how to do that easy. Oh wait, I should get my tools. I got them. So first off, screwdriver, little screwdrivers for that stuff. Of course, you always need the Allen wrench, and some tweezers. Read this first. Well, how much do I have to read? Damn, there's a lot of instructions for shit that I don't understand. Okay. Oh, shit. So go ahead, walk in frame.
It was good.
So I gotta find the arrow on that one. Where's the arrow in here? This is the easiest part to fuck up, and also probably one of the most costly. This thing's actually kind of heavier than it looks. It's like solid fucking metal. Okay, well that's done. Thank you guys so much for watching. Okay, now I assume the RAM, but which one's start? Here I got the ballistic 2 8GB sticks. 3200. Actually, it should be right here, shouldn't it? Ballistic 16GB kit 2i8. DDR4 3200. Okay, where's the notch on this thing? Damn, I don't know how Bitwit does this stuff one-handed. Okay, we're gonna go this way. Okay, this, like this. Damn, okay, one-handed is a pain. You guys are gonna sit right here. Let's just hope you can see right there. Are you sure you guys don't go back? Oh, they do go back. I'm a fucking idiot. Jesus. Okay. That one's not in all the way. There we go. This last one. That going? Okay, this one's. It's good then. Shit. Oh. Guess that's it for that. Well, actually, one more. I just reminded me. There's one more thing we gotta put on the motherboard. So here I got Kingston solid state drive. I know an actual name for this NVME M.2 drive. I guess what it's called. This actually goes right there. Actually, just fits like that. I was gonna lay it on there, but I don't think that's a good idea. I just need something for my little screw right there. Do it. Oh, this is perfect. Oh shit. Okay, well, putting it right there. Just kind of. Okay, so then it's sticking out. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to do this correctly and not mess it up with one hand, so you know, you guys are gonna put down. Okay, what is next? This guy, okay. Okay, that was useless. Where's the other one? Okay, looks like we're doing this one. Shit, okay, well, here we go. Okay, something is not, maybe I gotta take these off. Hey, we're all good. Just making some scary fucking noises. I mean, this should be good. Alright, well, this is the case. I'm going with NZXT H10. I picked this one because it's fairly inexpensive. It's 69 bucks. But it also came with two fans pre-installed. So I didn't have to worry too much about cooling. And I don't plan on overclocking, at least not in the foreseeable future. Oh, Jesus Christ. There's scratches on this already. Oh, this is a piece of plastic. Okay, yeah, we'll leave that on for now. So this is the inside of it. Nothing too crazy. Two pre-installed vents, or two fans. It also has filters, pre-installed filters. It's a case. It's a nice looking case, something simple. I know it does have USB-C out here, but I don't believe my motherboard supports it. And also, yes, I'm reading every goddamn thing because I do not want to fuck this up. Jesus, okay, well, screws. KB510 screws. 632 hexagon screws. M3 flat screws. What the fuck? Okay. Gonna have to go back to the manual. There's a lot of fucking screws here. I'm just gonna do the IO port because that's easy right now. Okay, we're gonna see what the hell. Well, I got like 15 million screws. Why is this so difficult? Okay, that one just went straight in.
What's going on here?
Oh, damn. This part was fucking difficult because my board's a smaller one. So it doesn't use all of them. I had to figure out what the fuck, which one I gotta put it in. And which fucking screws to fucking use. Over here looking like I'm fucking MapQuest bullshit. How do I get in there? My hand's too fucking big. That's what she said.
Alright, well, Ruben figures that shit out. You have the warning labels on this hoe. Look at all that. Look at all that ass.
What you doing all clear all that ass?
Look at all that ass.
Okay, I'm taking out these fucking fans.
So because of what y'all just read, I'm not gonna go any further than this. I'm sure Ruben's gonna give you like more of a rundown. Maybe like tomorrow or Wednesday. Hopefully before Friday.
Oh, that's when the video comes out, so I sure as hell hope before Friday. Son of a bitch, get the fuck out! Why are you stuck?
Supposed to be good.
What are you stuck?
This is power.
That's the power. Okay. So I think the next thing is storage. I'm looking over here what I have left. I have the storage, the power supply, and the GPU left. But I could also do some of the front panel connectors right now. Okay, so that's plugged in. Now we can do the storage. I'm pissed this motherfucker doesn't fit. Okay, it does. It fits, guys, don't worry. Oh, hell. You know what? This requires screws to go back here. I'm just gonna do half the screws. Shut the fuck up.
I'm not saying thing, yo.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm not saying thing.
If you look directly behind me, you'll see the set of our podcast. It also doubles as our living room on this podcast. Go check it out down below. Talk about some funny shit. Started doing more different segments. Got a meme review segment, which I go through, pretty much pick up stuff from TikTok. And Jay's got his conspiracy corner. And Rob talks about whatever the fuck. Okay, what's next? Power supply. Let's fucking do this. Fortunately, it does look good. It's got the mustard cables, which I was kind of hoping it didn't. But it's whatever. It gets the job done. It was 45 bucks. So it smells like the fucking string, the silly string. Yeah, it smells exactly like that. So build a PC, they said. It's easy, they said. Such a rewarding and fulfilling fucking bullshit. I'm sorry if if you're watching this video, you're realizing I have a potty mouth. It's really nothing new. So I know I won't get a text. Oh, I'm not sure about his videos. Curses a lot. I didn't know he talked like that. Now just plugging everything in to the power. The only thing I'm not gonna have in yet is a GPU. I just want to do it last. Wow, this is fucking difficult. Okay. Just got those guys in. Okay, I don't know where that cut out, but yeah, we've got everything plugged in at this point. Putting in the GPU now. Get this nice little peel first. Wow, that was horrible, horrible peel. I really hope this works. Because if it doesn't, I'm gonna be upset. Probably not recommended for first time installer, but I'm gonna do this one-handed. Oh shit. Shit, it's in. I don't know how this video is gonna come out. To be honest, it wasn't really well planned out. Okay. So at this point, this is the build. Nothing fancy. Hopefully it should work. Where is the power cord? Swear to God, it was just here. This is what I got. Acer Nitro VGO series, or VGO series, whatever you want to say. LED, 1080p, 140 hertz. Oh my God, I hate these goddamn push-in bullshit. I mean, I love them when I'm about to fucking pick them up, but they're annoying as hell. Let's put this down. Let's put this down before I break. This also kind of smells like the silly string. There we go. Oh, I'm getting so close. I'm literally getting excited now. Let's for some final prayers here, guys. There's some fans going on. I see some lights. Okay. We made it into BIOS. We made it. God damn. Holy shit. Okay, I need to my mouse. Boy, you don't know how fucking scary it was. Okay, that's pretty much the setup there. So, I know this video is a bit of a mess, but I just want to thank y'all so much for watching. If you want to know the full spec list of my build, I'll put that all down below in the description. I would like to say it's around a mid-tier build, probably just because of the motherboard, but it works great for me. I've had it for about 5 days now, and I've been able to use programs like Premiere and After Effects with no problem. I've also done a little bit of gaming on it with Fortnite, Overwatch, and even the Master Chief Collection, all running at max settings and going 60 FPS and above, so overall I'm pretty happy with it. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to see more. I've also got a podcast with my roommates where we fuck around, react to TikToks, and talk about some conspiracy theories, so go check that out. Till next time guys, see you around.